that's where we're at right now. What we did, replace the grip, and they did an excellent job of matching the paint and the splatter paint, both blood. Then we replaced the stock. We got a little angled foregrip right here. We got our Magnifier and Holosun on. And that accessories came from Tactical Expression. Like I said, I mean, this color matching was great to this Great Lakes. And I think the only thing we'd like to put on is maybe this dust cover. Get that guy thrown on there. But other than that, nice.